Welcome to Dashcam Drama, where reckless drivers meet reality and chaos rules the asphalt. From shocking crashes to heart-stopping near misses, every clip proves how one reckless moment can spark total disaster. Buckle up, the ride is about to get wild. The car crashed into the roundabout and flew into the air. The accident looked terrible. Hopefully the driver wasn't seriously injured. At the intersection, the driver did not obey the traffic light and ran a red light, causing a serious accident. Fortunately, no one was killed. The driver was drunk and could not control the steering wheel, but the other car was parked in the opposite direction. Luckily, no one was seriously injured. A terrible accident at the intersection. Police are investigating the cause of the incident. Hopefully, no casualties. The ambulance was hit by a bus and a pickup truck and overturned at an intersection. Luckily, no one was seriously injured. Someone went from the right lane to the front lane, blocking the blue truck. What a regrettable accident. Horrible accident because the car was tailgating and the car in front braked suddenly. Everyone needs to keep a safe distance. The pickup truck suddenly changed lanes and was sandwiched between two tractor trailers. Luckily, no one was seriously injured.
Found Maggie. No!
Dashcam video shows police cruiser crashing while responding to shooting. While the accident looks horrible, the cause is still unknown. Hope no one was seriously injured.
Oh, there's a truck off the fucking edge. No,
There was a truck accident last night. If you look closely, you will see the truck overturned on the side of the road.
Call you back. Bye.
The driver lost control and crashed into cars parked outside the liquor store. Fortunately, there were no casualties. These goods look really dangerous. Next time with heavy loads, pay more attention to safety. The white car was driving too fast and not keeping a safe distance, leading to an unfortunate accident. Luckily, no one was seriously injured. You may be right, but it's not always certain. It happens, suddenly, in real life. A car driven by an inexperienced driver crashed into a parked car, both vehicles sliding 6 meters down the road below where the accident occurred. From the clip we are watching, the car driver was driving the car in a confusing way. The police are investigating the cause. A surveillance camera installed at a roadside auto repair shop captured a car cutting in front of another car on the first day of winter.
Нихера себе. Мы ничего не пострадали, по-моему.
You've just witnessed moments where fate collided with force, leaving behind lessons every driver should remember. Stay sharp, because safety will always be your strongest shield on the road. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe as we dive even deeper into the untold stories lurking on the world's wildest highways.